Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to delete multiple projects on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go visit your Capcut application and wait until the application is opened. And you can see here it's already open and I got a lot of projects here, so let's just organize it by deleting the project that I already finished. To delete the multiple project, you just need to go click and hold one of this project. So again, click and hold, and that will be activate the circles button right here, and then you just need to mark which project that you want to delete. You can leave the project that you want to keep here, so you just need to select which project that you want to delete. And after you're done, now you just need to take a look on this bottom part. There will be a delete button, and then you just need to go click it and confirm that you want to delete the project. And now you're done. The project is already deleted. So that is the way how to delete multiple projects on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I will see you for the next video.